Hey everyone, let's build our first AI agent on DronaHQ platform. An agent that can do the real work and not just generate generic responses. So let's get started. At first, we will head to our admin console. Everything that you need to build your AI agent for your business operations, you can locate on our Agentic platform. But before deep diving, on the left hand side, you can also see we have models. So models are basically LLMs like OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, and others, which you can connect to with your AI agent. Next, we also have a knowledge base for your static unstructured data, which can be stored in text, question answers, file, and even in link format. Next, we also have connectors. So if you are familiar with DronaHQ platform, you already know that we have more than 75 plus connectors, which includes databases and APIs of variety. So you pull in your data into your applications and your AI agent. Next, we also have tools. So tools become an integral part when you're building an AI agent. We have close to 900 toolkits available for you to connect with your AI agent. And on the screen, you can also see the number of accounts your tools are presently connected to. Next, we also have MCP. So in case you want to use your MCP with your AI agent, that is also pretty much possible. Next, we also have manage users and traces for you to manage your global agent settings. Next, we also have guardrails. In case you want your agent to behave in a specific way, you can also provide guardrails to your agent. All right, now let's get back to building our first AI agent. So from the admin console, you click on Add Agent, which will open a new canvas for you. So on the screen, as you can see, you can add the agent name right here, add a little bit of description and save it. We also have different models for you to choose from. For this AI agent, I'm going to use OpenAI, so I'm not going to change the model selection. On the settings icon, we also have temperature, the lowest indicating the AI agent to be super precise and the highest being it to be super creative. We also have maximum number of iteration, which basically means how many times you want your AI agent to loop through all of the instruction and knowledge bases before it gives you a response. All right, now let's get to building. So at first, I will add the instruction. For this use case, I'm going to make a workshop automation assistant. So I already have my instruction. Let me add it right here. So as you can see, my instructions has been added, and in the instruction, I have also added a goal for my agent so that it knows exactly what it is supposed to do. I have also broken down my instruction in small steps. So like I have a step 1, and then I have a step 2. And at the end, I have also added some general notes. So in case some details are not provided by the user already, it can also ask for the feedback and fill in the gaps. Next, I'm also going to add my tools on the right hand side. So I'm going to click on Add Tools and add all of the required tools. A quick pro tip here, when you're adding a tool, let's say you want to add your Gmail as a tool and you only want the send email function. So for that, you do not need to overload your agent with all of the functions. So you just can select just one function and add that tool. And let me quickly add all of my tools. Also, since we have a lot of tools available for you, you can also search it up from here and then add them. All right, I have added all of my tools, and let me give you a quick overview of what this agent is going to do. This agent will assist me with my workshops, like creating my event, sending out reminders in Slack for my team, and also sending it out in the social media platforms, sending all of the reminder emails to the existing participants of the workshop, like, hey, a new workshop is incoming. So as you add your tools, you also need to add your accounts. So let me show you how I connect my account with my Google Calendar. So I already have an account built. So let me add another one. And I will use connect Google Calendar via auth 2. And here I'm going to name it something else. So my initials. All right. I will click on create account. And this will take me to the auth. And I'm going to select my email where I need my Google Calendar to sync. And this is going to allow my Composio. I'm going to click on continue. And this should successfully connect my Google account with my agent. And select this. Okay, looks good. I'm going to click on save and I'm going to close this. I have already added all of my accounts to the tools, so you can also add your accounts in the similar way. Okay, looks good. And now if I click on edit, I will be able to see my newly added account from here. So if I click on add account, you can see that it has been connected 46 seconds ago. So apart from the models, instruction, and tools, you can also add your knowledge bases. So if you want to add knowledge base, you can just click on this add knowledge base. You can select any of the existing knowledge bases, or in case if you want to create a new one, you can also click on add new knowledge base, and this should redirect you to a new screen where you can add your new knowledge base and continue with the process. All right, now let's get back to our agent, because right now my agent doesn't require knowledge base as such. All right, now it's time to test out our AI agent. So let us frame our prompts and see how this works. So now I will open my playground and craft my prompt. Okay, so my prompt is ready. The prompt is basically asking the AI agent to create an event from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. IST on 9th December 2025 and naming the event as AI Agentic Workshop with no description. And then it is supposed to send Slack reminders on a channel and also post it out on my Twitter and LinkedIn with the registration link that I have already mentioned from here. And next, it is also going to send out the reminder emails to the email IDs that I've provided in the Google Sheet and using all of the information that I have given in the instruction. My prompt looks good, and now I'm just going to hit enter and let the agent do its magic. Okay, so as you can see, the AI agent is sharing its thoughts and breaking down what it needs to do. So at first, it has created an event on my calendar, sent the reminder on Slack, posted on Twitter and LinkedIn as well, and also retrieved all of the email IDs from Google Sheet and sent out the emails. All right, this looks good, and now we will see all of the results. So at first, it was supposed to create a Google event. So let us quickly see on our calendar. So this is my calendar, and as you can see, the AI agent has created a workshop right here on 9 December from 4 to 5 p.m. IST. So our AI agent has also sent the reminders in the Slack channel as well. I had also mentioned in the instruction in which channel to send, and it has sent it perfectly. Next, it had to post out on my Twitter and my LinkedIn. So let's check that out. So once I head to my profile, let me quickly refresh. And as you can see, this post has been posted literally 1 minute ago. Next, we also have our LinkedIn. So let's check that out. On refreshing, you can view my post from here, which has been posted literally just now. It has also sent the reminder in my second email ID as well. I just literally had 3 of my other email IDs in the Google Sheet. So that's where it all went to. Now that we have built our agent successfully, it's time for publishing and sharing our agent with our team. All right, so for that, I'll just cross this one out. And once your agent is completely done, you just click on publish. And since this is our first release, so it will be a major, and you can just add a release note as, let's say, Aharna's agent. And I'm going to click on publish. And my agent has been published successfully. And after that, I can also share the AI agent. So we have a public link. You can enter the name right here. So it can be like a workshop assistant. Or done. I can change this access to public and just save it. So if you want to build your first AI agent that helps you with your business operation or just want to explore further, book a demo call with us now.